Hi, and welcome to the FieldAR tutorial series. My name is Kyle, and I'm the founder and lead software developer for FieldAR. This video is the first in a series we're putting together to get you started using the FieldAR mobile app, the web dashboard, and the software plugins. If you're not familiar with FieldAR, it's a cutting-edge augmented reality app for the AEC industry that features single-tap 3D model loading and auto-alignment to the real world, making it super convenient for anyone on your team to quickly and easily view the project BIM or 3D models overlaid on the real-world construction site with a single tap. In this video, we'll cover creating a FieldAR account from the mobile app and start our first project. I'll walk you through some of the basic features that the FieldAR mobile app provides, as well as the basic features of the web dashboard. Let's get started. If you don't already have the FieldAR app installed on your iOS or Android device, you can visit our website at fieldar.app/download for links to both the Apple App Store and Google Play. Once you open the app, the first screen you'll see is a login and registration form. Registering for a FieldAR account is totally free and only takes a couple seconds. After you've logged into your account, the first screen you'll see is the QR code scanner, which allows you to easily scan any QR code target at a job site to start an augmented reality session. This part of the app has tons of AR features and is the core tool set that your project team members will want to use while they're in the field. We'll be back in this tool plenty during the course of these videos, so for now, let's tap the dashboard button at the bottom left of the screen. From the dashboard screen, we can visit a profile in the upper right corner where you can edit your personal details and upload a photo of yourself. If we head back to the main dashboard, we can filter our project list even though we haven't created one yet. This little book icon next to the project filter dropdown opens the Learning Center on our website for helpful guides and links to these tutorial videos. The two big buttons at the bottom let us create new projects and manage our tasks, which we will cover in a later video. Let's go ahead and create our first project by tapping the New Project button. We can name our project something like Airport Expansion. We can search for a project location by typing the name of the city. In my case, we'll choose Chicago, Illinois, where I'm from originally. Since our account is on the free version, we don't have any company regions set up, so we'll just choose the default All option. We'll cover company regions and plenty more company options when we cover the enterprise subscription in a future video. Once we have the basic project information set up, let's tap the Create Project button. After we've created the project page automatically opens and we can view the current project details. We have our models list, which is currently empty, and we will cover uploading and updating models from various sources in the next video. In the bottom half of the screen, we have some project management options for adding models and editing the project details, and we can view all of the project activity from the button at the bottom. Another thing I'll briefly mention on the screen is the little floor plan button at the top right corner. If we tap that button, we are presented with an option to upload project floor plans, which appear as a mini-map when a user scans a QR code target from the project. We will review the floor plan features in a separate short video. Let's head back to the main project page. If we tap the Edit button under the Project Management Tools, we can edit the basic project info, and there's an additional toggle that says Allow anyone to scan QR targets. If we uncheck this, a field appears that enables us to input allowed email domains. This feature basically allows you to control who can scan the QR code targets at your job site. Let's say, for instance, you work for a company called NextGen, and you only want employees that have a NextGen email address to be able to scan QR targets at your job site. Then you can type nextgen.com in the allowed email domains list. Since I want to let anyone at the job site scan the QR code target, I'll leave this option checked. Now let's head back to the main project page once again. Then let's tap the back button once more to get back into our main dashboard. You'll notice that our new project is in our project list, and we can open it from here anytime we want to view or make changes to it. Now let's head to the web dashboard to review some of the basic features there and view our newly created project. You can open your web dashboard by visiting our website at fieldar.app on mobile or desktop web browsers and clicking on the dashboard button in the right corner of the toolbar. After logging in with your email address and password, you can navigate your dashboard from the left side menu. You can control your profile, company, team, and projects from the web dashboard, similarly to the mobile app. In addition, the web browser enables you to add enterprise projects to your subscription, which we will cover in more detail in a future video. If we open the Company Details tab, you'll see the company code field. If your company already has an enterprise subscription, they can invite you to join the company. You'll receive an email with a company code, which you can paste in here. After successfully joining a company, you can be assigned to projects by the company administrator and access even more features in the FieldAR Web Dashboard and the mobile app. If we open the Team Management tab, you'll notice that your profile is listed with the amount of projects that you've created. The Team Management section of the dashboard is crucial for enterprise-level projects where multiple team members need to edit projects and update models. So we will cover team management in more detail in the Enterprise project video. Let's open the Project Management tab. This will look pretty familiar to the mobile app, as we can see our project list, we can filter and search for projects, and even create a new project from here. Let's open the project we created previously in the mobile app. Here we can view and edit the basic project details, as well as view and manage the models and assign team members in this project. If we briefly pop over to the Activity tab, we can filter and view the activity in each of our projects. Anytime a project manager edits project information, uploads or updates a model, or someone on the job site creates a markup, we will see that event appear under the project activity here. It's a central hub to easily view the basic activity on our project as they are interacted with on our job site. Well, that's it for this video on creating your first project with FieldAR. In the next video, we will cover uploading 3D models from the FieldAR plugins for Navisworks and Revit, as well as directly from the FieldAR mobile app. We're super excited that you're giving FieldAR a try, and I can't wait to see how your construction sites benefit from augmented reality. So tag us in your posts. Our LinkedIn and social media channels are in our bio. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.